Inside one of the world's most advanced electronics manufacturing factories, a fully automated PCB assembly line operates with incredible precision and speed. As the conveyor system moves printed circuit boards through the production area, high-tech robotic arms begin installing tiny electronic components with near-perfect accuracy. These advanced machines are designed to handle thousands of delicate semiconductor parts every hour, creating the powerful circuit boards used in modern smartphones, computers, medical equipment, gaming systems, and even space technology. Every movement inside the factory is controlled by intelligent automation systems that ensure each component is placed exactly in the correct position. Tiny microchips, resistors, capacitors, and sensors are carefully picked up by robotic arms using vacuum technology and then mounted onto the boards within milliseconds. Powerful inspection cameras and AI quality control systems constantly scan the production line to detect even the smallest errors, helping manufacturers maintain extremely high standards. The automated conveyor never stops moving as different machines perform soldering, testing, and inspection processes in perfect sync. This futuristic semiconductor production environment reduces human error, increases efficiency, and allows factories to produce millions of electronic devices faster than ever before. Sparks of innovation can be seen everywhere as precision engineering and robotics work together to power the modern digital world. From smart homes and electric vehicles to advanced communication systems and artificial intelligence devices, nearly every modern technology depends on these highly advanced PCB assembly lines. The combination of robotics, automation, and semiconductor manufacturing has completely transformed the electronics industry, making production faster, safer, and more reliable. As technology continues to evolve, factories like these represent the future of intelligent manufacturing, where machines and AI systems collaborate to create the next generation of electronic innovation.